Hi, this video will talk about pole grounding installation. Grounding means the connection of earth ground to non-current carrying conductive materials such as cables, stay wire or messenger wire, fiber joint enclosures, and access terminal boxes. Grounding is essential for protecting the passive equipment and cables from unpredictable flow of current from a current source. The grounding dissipates current flow to the ground, which lessens the risk of severe damage to the equipment in the FTTH outside plant. Grounding must be provided at all closure and pipe down until the duct ending touches the rod clamp. Tie a stainless steel strap with 1/2 inch width around the pole 6 inches above ground. Fix the stainless strap with buckles. Tighten the strap using tensioning tool. Cut excess steel strap. The tensioning tool itself has a function to cut the excess stainless steel strap. Lock the buckles to fix the strap. To lock the buckles, smash the protruded arm of the lock and bend it down to the strap. Tie another strap 33 inches above the first strap. Tighten the strap using tensioning tool. Cut excess stainless steel strap. Fix the strap with buckles. Tie the third strap 33 inches above the second strap. Do the same procedure for strap fixing. If you notice, the third strap is located at the upper end of the insulating pipe. Tighten the strap using tensioning tool. There will be 2 more straps to be installed 33 inches above this strap position. Cut excess stainless steel strap. Fix the strap with buckles. As per standard, we must put 5 stainless straps to fix the messenger wire strand on the pole grounding. This standard is followed by both PLDT and Globe Telecom in the Philippines. I only showed 3 straps installed on the video. All strap has at least 33 inches distance in between. Ground testing is conducted after the installation. This activity will be shown on my other videos. I hope I was able to share knowledge about pole grounding installation. Thank you for watching.